So we'll take the first question here. Coffee stains can best be removed by, okay, now you need to, in the laundry and the fashion industry, several reagents are used to remove different kinds of stain. For example, if you have a stain that is from paint, you have to use turpentine to remove it. Then a stain from maybe fat and oil, okay, like stew or something like that, or soup, you have to use kerosene, petrol, or ammonia solution. Okay, so this last one here, which is borax solution, is used to remove coffee or tea stains from clothes. Okay, take note of that. The next one is, which of the following allotrope of carbon is a constituent of lead pencil? The allotrope of carbon is graphite and diamond. So graphite is one that is used in lead pencils. Okay, it is enclosed in wood and it is used in lead pencils because it's very, very slippery. So that's that. Then the next one, a compound commonly used for sterilization and preservation of specimens and food is dash. All this benzene is very, very toxic. Ether and ammonia are toxic. So alcohol is still consumable and it's actually used as a preservative, okay, to preserve specimens from getting spoiled. So the answer there is ethanol, and the ethanol that is actually used is ethanol with a 95% accuracy, which is actually called rectified spirit. Okay, so the answer is ethanol. The next one, the acid that is used to remove rust is what? So we have boric, hydrochloric, 95, and tetrasulfuric acid. So the acid used is actually H2SO4 acid. Okay, it is used to remove rust. It is a very strong dehydrating agent. HCl can also be used, but H2SO4 is a stronger dehydrating agent than HCl. So the correct answer, the one that will do the work better, is H2SO4. Carbon contains 40%. The compound contains 40% carbon, 6.7% hydrogen, and 53.3% oxygen. If the molar mass of the compound is 180, you have to find the molecular formula. So first of all, arrange it like this. Cr40 for carbon. Then for hydrogen, you have 6.7. Then the last one for oxygen, you have 53.3. So you just divide each of them by the relative atomic mass. So for oxygen, you have 16. This one is 1. Carbon is 12. So if you do this division, you will get 3.3 in this case, 3.33 in this case. This one will give you 6.7, and this one will give you another 3.33. So you divide by the smallest one, 3.33, then 3.33, 3.33. So this one here will give you 1, this one will give you 2, this one will give you 1. So you can see you have C1, H2, O1, or CH2O. So the empirical formula of that compound is CH2O. So just write CH2O. But there's something you need to take note of, because I told that the molar mass of the compound is 180. So you just add a bracket here like this and equate everything to 180. So everything in the brackets, you have to find the relative molecular mass. To find this one, or the molar mass, to find this one, you know carbon is 12, right? Hydrogen is 1, so 1 times 2 gives you 2, plus oxygen is 16. Then multiply this by n. Everything here must give you 180. If you add all these ones, you're going to get 30. So 30n is equals to 180. So just find n from here. N will be 180 over 30. So you divide this, you're going to get 6. That means the value of this n here is 6. So you're going to get CH2O bracket 6. Well, don't use 6 goes into this bracket. You're going to multiply everything there. So you're going to have C6 H12O6. Okay, so checking the option there. So you can see here C6 H12O6. And this one, the color of methyl orange. The color of methyl orange in alkaline medium. Alkaline medium means basic medium. So methyl orange is actually orange in color, but when it gets into acid, it becomes red. Okay, in contact with acid, it becomes red, but in contact with a base, it is yellow. So a base is an alkaline medium. So they're asking us what will be the color of methyl orange in basic medium or alkaline medium. So the answer is yellow. The product formed at the cathode during the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution with carbon electrode is what? Now, you need to first of all check out sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is NaCl, right? NaCl. But when it dissociates, you're going to get Na plus Cl minus, right? take note of this word here. You have solution here. Solution means there's water present. So the water too will also dissociate. So we're going to have H plus, and OH minus. Okay, so we are told that the product formed at the cathode. So our focus is the cathode. The cathode is the negative electrode. So what should go there are the positive ions. So these two will move to the cathode. So Na plus and H plus will move to the cathode. But when they get there, which of them will be displaced? The one that will be displaced will be the one that is low. The lower one in the electrochemical series. And you know that hydrogen is lower than sodium in the electrochemical series. So that means hydrogen gas will be given off. The one that is lower in the electrochemical series will be the one that will be given off. So the answer is hydrogen gas. So stainless steel is used for making dash. So you have magnets, tools, coins and metals and moving parts of clocks. So magnets are actually made from the alloy called alnico. Alnico is an alloy of aluminium, nickel and cobalt. Tools are actually made from stainless steel. Then coins and medals are made using brass or bronze. So brass or bronze. While the moving parts of clocks are made from brass. So the answer obviously is tools. So stainless steel is used because it is resistant to corrosion, it can withstand high temperature and pressure, and it is very, very hard. So that's why stainless steel is used for making tools. So for the next one, the relative atomic mass of naturally occurring lithium consists of 90%, 7.3 and 10% 6.3. So you're trying to find the relative atomic mass. So these are the isotopes here. This is under isotopy. So they're already given the isotopes, and these are the mass numbers. So the first one is 90%. You have 7.3 Li. The abundance of this one is 90%. Then the second one is 6.3 Li. The abundance of this one is 10%. So what I'm going to do is just multiply. So just do 90 over 100. That's for the first one. Then times it by 7. 7 is the mass number. Okay, then you add this answer to the second one. That will be 10 over 100. You times this by 6. So if you solve this one, you are going to get 630 over 100. But this one will give you 60 over 100. So if you add it up, you're going to get 690 over 100, which is 6.9. So that means the relative atomic mass is 6.9. So just go there and look for it. So iron can be protected from corrosion by coating the surface with. Now, to coat the surface of a metal with another metal is called electroplating. So it's majorly done using electrolysis. And to do that, you have to use a very cheap metal. So the kind of metal is actually used is zinc, which is a metal that can be used to galvanize iron, to protect iron from corrosion. So the answer is zinc. I hope you enjoyed this short video and you have gained one or two things for JAMB 2025. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Click the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. So I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Remain blessed. Peace.